Hey guys, back another short interior video again. Got the driver's side sill panel this time. This has kind of been annoying me. It's come loose, and because the little bottle cap, because the little clips have come off, I've got one that's still stuck in here, but I've got a bunch of new ones anyway, just in case. Anyway, the little clips you need. I don't know how well you can see that part number there. But they're the little clips you need. There's 5 of them in the bag, and that's what they look like. Alright, so you can see these little flaps here. This is where the those clips hang on to. Yeah, can you do me a favour, Lokes?
Yeah.
Can you hold this up?
Yeah.
No, it gives me a couple of extra hands. So these clips just go on these little tabs here. You might need a bit of force to get them up into place. Well, once they're in, I've got one more down here. So you can see I was, out of the 4 that are here, I was missing 3 of them, and one was kind of just stuck in its little recess in the bottom. I'll push those into place, and then once that, we'll just line these up. Push these back down. Just make sure that one's already. There you go, and that just give them a good thump down. That holds them in place. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.